Hello everyone. Now I can show you video tutorial. Welcome to video to VR uh, website. This website you can use to or your utility, and I can show you how to use this utility and how can use. This is our video to virtual reality website, video to VR.com. Then we are provided video to regular, video to panoramic, video to VR education. This is our service. This here example. This is a tutorial, the condition, and this is login page and online register. This this and I can show you how. Judy, you have how can you work this? This is now I can show you how to make register. যদি you already register this website, then you can click login. যদি you have যদি you want to যদি you want new one user, then you can click make online register. Then you get a register form. Then first username, email, first name, last name, and password, and data is. And this is uh, we have two type member. This premium member and free member. Free member is only one time try, and premium member is lifetime. And this club username like mm, username. Okay. This is not any. This username not with Ghosh. This username not a space, not space, and here put your active email number in first name, last name, password, and and then click here, and this. Okay, I can put here like which email address you active, then click first name Omer and Khash, then this is, and password you can put password, then you can register, click, then you can pay to the you can pay this you can pay fee, membership, premium membership fee. Then you will get a new password and your email, and this. Now I can show you. Before we can see how to register, and remember, we all should be read our terms and condition, and you should be get a password, your uh, email when this payment is completed, then you will get password. And this is you have already registered, then you will click login button, then you will put your username and password, username অথবা email address and password, then you click. যদি you want to, now I can show you how to you log in this website, and how to website first. You যদি you have already please remember you can uh, read our terms and condition. Then now you will have already registered, then you will get login. Click login now button, then you will put your password and username, then you click login, then this is our utility skin. This is our three utility skin, which first video to video regular, video to video panoramic, video to video VR. First click this first button, then you can click this, plus sign, and you can upload file, you can upload video file, this here too you can upload your video file. I can show you the video file which you can upload. You can upload this video file, and this is automatic converted this regular video. Just few minutes wait. This is only this utility only for you can this copy use to this copy use, and you can use where your website page, like this website, like you can want your website, then paste. Yes, you can paste your website any place where you want to this. You can use your shortcut this, like now I can show you. You can see this way, second to panorama and here you can see you should be need to this your video and this website, and you can click plus, and you can head to this video, click upload, I can click this uploading, this your video uploading, and you can see this video now converting your panoramic and VR. This is this way, and you can head to this video size control 9. You can which size you want this panoramic, if you want this, and you can size test. Now view and view, and this is way to if you want to this way, then if you want to this video your website use, then you can just click here and click edit as HTML, then this code you can copy, Ctrl C, and Control A copy and Control C copy, Control A select and Control C to copy and paste your website and HTML box. Then you can see your website, and you can see this is way to you can here too you can make, you have other option, you can add video here too.